So, how do I prevent the fuel bugs from coming back to my boat? I had the fuel bugs a couple of years ago, and after that I've been very anxious and I don't want the fuel bugs back. So, what do I do to prevent the fuel bugs? First of all, I try to keep the tanks as full as possible. I have 2 tanks, each 300 liters, so in total 600 liters. And if I keep these tanks full, I will have less air in the tank, and it's in the air that you get the condensation. When you have different temperatures, you get air in and out of the tanks, and that can cause condensation. And condensation is water, and water is what the fuel bugs love. And the next thing I do is to add fuel additives. I'm using this stuff here called Aileron, and that is very efficient for killing the fuel bugs if you get them. Where do you get the fuel bugs? Well, you get them from where you get the fuel. In the pumps, in the tanks where they store the fuel before you buy it, there you have the fuel bugs. When you fill the fuel in the boat, you get the bugs, and they grow in water, in the what to say, zone just between water and fuel. That's where they like to spend their lives. So if you get rid of the water, then you have less probability to get the fuel bugs. So what I do, in addition to keeping the tanks full and adding this fuel additive, I also drain the tanks once in a while, because the water will fall down to the bottom of the tank. There I have a valve, and I open this valve, get the water out, and then I also, this is what I've taken from the tanks, I can also inspect the fuel. So now I can see this has settled for a while. I can see that this is very clear. No water in it, no fuel bugs in it, and I'm safe. And I take a sample from each tank just to check each tank. No water, no residues. Well, a little bit, but I'm not worried. So that's my advice to you. Drain the fuel just a little bit from each tank, couple of times a year. That will save you from the fuel bugs, because the fuel bugs, they get you when you really need the engine. When you are out in the heavy waves and the fuel is flushing around in the tank, that's when they block the filter, and then you are out of engine. You have no engine, no propulsion, then you need help. So draining the fuel sometimes will save you from that disaster. Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below.